Which soft tubing for water cooling is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, BBYPP Clear Tubing Assortment. First up is the BBYPP Clear Tubing Assortment. This set caught my eye because it offers 4 different inner diameters, 2, 3, 4, and 5, all in one package for just $9.91. If you want versatile options for your water cooling setup, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The flexibility of these PVC tubes means you can easily find the right size for whatever project you're tackling. Whether it's connecting to an air compressor or setting up a small fish tank, the BPA-free and non-toxic material ensures safety while being compatible with most liquids. Plus, with a rating of 4.5 stars from over 1,200 reviews, it's clear that people appreciate its performance. Now, some people complained about the thickness being a bit too thin for high-pressure systems. Here's the thing, though, if you're not pushing extreme limits, these tubes are perfectly adequate. They've performed well for general use and DIY projects, which is where they truly shine. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or just need a reliable tubing solution for various tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for something to handle heavy-duty applications. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the limited thickness of BBYPP's tubing bothered you, this next option offers a more robust solution. Product number 2, Green Dracena Compression Fittings. Next up, we have the Green Dracena 6-pack compression fittings priced at $27.79. What caught my attention here is the durability of the brass material and the elegant chrome finish. If you want reliable connections for your water cooling system, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These fittings are made to create a leak-proof seal, so you won't have to worry about any coolant spilling out and damaging your components. They fit a range of hoses, which means you can customize your setup without limitations. With a 4.7-star rating from 362 reviews, users appreciate how easy they are to install and their overall quality. Now, some folks mentioned that the price felt a bit high for just fittings. But here's the thing, when it comes to the safety and reliability of your system, investing in quality might save you from costly damage down the road. This is perfect for you if you're serious about building or upgrading your water cooling setup. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and just need basic tubing. Overall, it offers great value for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for a clean aesthetic. Product number 3, Corsair Hydro X Series Tubing. Coming in at number 3 is the Corsair Hydro X Series Softline Tubing, which retails for $16.99. I was drawn to its fully transparent design. It really puts your coolant on display. If you want to show off your setup, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The UV-resistant PVC material not only looks great, but also ensures your tubing stays clear and won't discolor over time. It's flexible enough to fit into tight spaces without compromising durability, which is essential for any water cooling system. With 1,900 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it has garnered lots of positive feedback for its performance. Now, some users pointed out that it can be tricky to cut to the desired length without the right tools. Here's the thing, though, if you have a tube cutter handy, it's a breeze. Otherwise, you can easily use scissors, but precision is key. This is perfect for you if you value aesthetics in your build and want something that complements your setup. Skip this one if you need something that's more rugged for extreme use. For the price, it's a great addition to any water cooling kit. Next up, if you want something even more versatile for various applications, check out this next tubing option. Product number 4, PULACO Plastic Tubing. At number 4, we have the PULACO Plastic Tubing, priced at just $9.99. This option is versatile with an ID/OD of 7x10 and a length of 16 feet. If you need multi-purpose tubing for several projects, this is worth a serious look. Its durable and kink-proof design means you won't have flow issues, which is crucial for any liquid transfer. With a 4.4-star rating from 242 reviews, people are happy with its performance for various applications. Some users mention that it feels a bit stiff compared to other tubing. Here's the thing though, that stiffness contributes to its durability, preventing kinks or leaks that can ruin your setup. This is perfect for you if you're working on multiple projects that require reliable tubing. Skip this one if you're looking for something specifically designed for high-performance water cooling. For the value, you're getting a lot of tubing for a low price. Now, if you're looking for a premium option, the next product might just be what you need. Product number 5, PrimoChill PrimoFlex LRT Tubing. Finally, we have the PrimoChill PrimoFlex LRT Custom Water Cooling Flexible Tubing, priced at $39.99. This one stood out to me because it's specifically designed for high-performance systems. If you want top-tier tubing for your setup, this is worth a serious look. Its advanced design helps prevent discoloration and maintains a clean look over time. Rating at 4.7 stars from 403 reviews, users rave about its reliability for serious builds. Now, some might feel the price is a bit steep compared to others on this list. But here's the thing, if you're serious about performance, investing in high-quality components like this tubing can make all the difference in your cooling efficiency. This is perfect for you if you're building a high-end water cooling system and want the best. Skip this one if you're on a budget or just need basic tubing. You're definitely paying for quality and it shows. So there you have it. From BBYPP's versatile assortment to PrimoChill's high-performance tubing, each option has its strengths depending on your needs. Ultimately, choose the one that fits your project best, and you'll be well on your way to cooler components.